हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो गाइस, आज मैंने एक पीपीटी बनाई है, यानी कि पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन, जो कि गणेश चतुर्थी पे है। तो अब हम अपना पीपीटी स्टार्ट करते हैं। Lord Ganesh, remover of obstacles. At the beginning of any ritual and ceremony, Lord Ganesh is prayed first. His blessings are invoked always in the beginning. Ganesh is widely revered as the remover of obstacles and more generally as Lord of Beginnings and Lord of Obstacles, Vignesha. Ganesh is the Lord of intellect and wisdom. Prayer of Lord Ganesh. Vakratunde Mahakaya Suryakoti Samprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakayashu Sarvada. Meaning, O Lord Ganesh, who has a large body, curved trunk, and brightness of a million suns, please remove all obstacles in my work always. Ganesh Chaturthi, an annual festival, honors Ganesh for 10 days, starting on Ganesh Chaturthi, which typically falls in late August or early September. The festival begins with people bringing in clay idols of Ganesh, symbolizing Ganesh visit. The festival culminates on the day of Ananda Chaturdashi, when idols murti of Ganesh and immersed in the most convenient body of water, while the people shout, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Ganesh come back soon next year. Devotees offer Ganesh sweets such as modak and small sweet balls. Laddus, he is often shown carrying a bowl of sweets called a modak 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 tara. About Lord Ganesh. Lord Ganesh is the son of Lord Shiva and Parvati. The family includes his brother Lord Karke. Most believe Lord Ganesh is not married. Others associate him with the concepts of buddhi, intelligent, siddhi, spiritual power, and riddhi, property. Attributes of Lord Ganesh: elephant face. Gajanana means having the face of an elephant. The elephant head denotes wisdom, and its trunk respects Om, the sound symbol of Kosim. Relatedly, one trunk and other broken. Ganesh earlier name was Ekananda, one trust, referring to his saying whole task, the other having been broken off. The broken tusk that Ganesh holds like a pen in his lower right hand is a symbol of sacrifice, which be broke for writing the Mahabharata. Produce belly, Lambodra, pot belly, or let literally hanging belly, and Modra, great belly, are other names of Lord Ganesh. 4 arms. In his upper right hand, Ganesh holds a gourd holds a gourd which helps him propel magd forward on the internal path and remove obstacles from the way. The noose in Ganesh's left hand is a gentle implement to capture all difficulties. Mouse as vehicle. Ganesh is often shown riding on or attended by a mouse. The mouse is inspirited. Sorry. The mouse the mouse is imprinted in several ways. According to some mouse siblings, those who wish to overcome the desires and be less selfish and he is humble enough to ride the lowest of creatures, a mouse, the laddu, sweet he holds in the trunk indicates that one must discover the sweetness of the Atman. Fan like ears. His fan like ears convey that he is all ears to our petition. Snake around his waist. The snake that runs around his waist represents energy in all forms. Stories on Lord Ganesh. How Lord Ganesh got his head. Once goddess Parvati, while bathing, created a boy out of the dirt of her body, and against him the task for guarding the entrance of her bathroom. When Shiva, her husband, returned, he was surprised to find a stranger tying him access and strung off the boy's head in rage. Parvati broke down in the utter grief and to soothe her, Shiva sent out his squad Gunu to fetch the head of any sleeping being who was facing the north. The company found a sleeping elephant and brought back its severed head, which was then attached to the body of the boy. Shiva restored its life and made him the leader putti of its troops. Hence his name Ganpati. Shiva also bestowed a boon that people would worship him and invoke his name before undertaking any venture. Who is elder? Ganesh and his brother Lord Subramanya Kartike once had a dispute as to who was the elder of the two. The matter was referred to Lord Shiva for final decision. Shiva decided that however would make a tour of the whole world and come back first to the starting point had the right to be the elder. Sorry, yeah, to be right at the elder. Subramanya flew off at once his on his vehicle, the peacock, to make a to make to make a circuit of the world. But the wise Ganesha went in the loving work in the worshipfulness around his divine parents and asked for the prize of his victory. Lord Shiva said, "Beloved and wise Ganesh, but how can I give you the prize? You did not go around the world." Ganesh replied, "No, but I have gone around my parents. My parents represent the entry manifested universe." Third, the dispute was settled in favor of Lord Ganesh, who was threefold acknowledged as the elder of the two brothers. Mother Parvati also gave him a fruit as a prize of the victory. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all and happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Bye bye.